Today, I am creating another festive Navratri look, soft brown, pink, and a pop of shimmer. I started with a soft brown shade on the upper crease area to create definition. On the inner corner of the eyelid, I added a beautiful pink shade for a fresh, festive pop. This pink shade adds just the right amount of softness so the look doesn't get too heavy. Next, I placed a red shade right in the middle of the eyelid. I love how the red in the middle catches the light and gives a striking contrast. Now, I have applied a soft brown shade on the outer corners of the eyelid. I love how this warm brown balances the vibrancy of the other colors. I softened everything from the outer corner towards the crease so there are no harsh lines. To define the lash line, I have applied a dark brown shade along the upper lash line. I like using dark brown before black because it makes the blending much smoother. Layered a black eyeshadow on top for extra depth and drama. This tiny detail makes the whole look stand out. It's like eyeliner but more glam. It frames the eye beautifully without the need for a liquid liner. Now, for a pop of shimmer, I have applied Pixiedust in the middle of the eyelid and blending it upward towards the brow bone for that festive glow that really makes the look stand out. Now, I have applied a pink shade on the lower lash line. This will keep the look soft and balanced. It mirrors the upper lid beautifully. Now I have tightlined the lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. Smudging black on the lower lash line tightens everything up and adds that festive drama. I always feel Kajal completes an Indian festive look. It's that finishing detail. Now I have applied a mascara. Mascara is the simplest step but such a game changer. And here's the final Navratri look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more festive makeup tutorials. Happy Navratri!